If you want to know how to make this robot, keep watching. Today we're going to make a robot out of cardboard. These are the 2 long hands and these are the 2 feet. Right now we're going to put the second piece of tape. It's quite hard, that's why I put it on the top. That one goes like that. That one goes like that. Right now it's stable. Right now I have the robot's arm. I'm gonna put it like this. Now we're gonna put this on. Right now we are gonna put some tape on the neck. And then we're gonna put the head on. Now we're done with the hands, the 2 hands, the 2 legs, and the neck, and the first part of the body. Right now we're gonna use glue flour. We mixed it with this brush that robot gave us with water. First thing you put glue in water, but you're supposed to put the same amount. Right now we're gonna use this paper. We have this brush. We're gonna take the paper, do this, and then we're gonna use all this paper to cover these words. Right now is the last part. We're just going to cover the neck and the head. That's a band-aid. That's a band-aid box. And then I know where the googly eyes are, but we're going to put googly eyes or draw it. And we are going to draw a big square and then put his buttons inside. We draw 3 buttons. We're going to put the colors red, blue, and green. And then we're going to color the whole robot blue. Now, a lot of blue. Now we are going to paint the outside blue. And if you have it, turn your device like this and do that subscribe button. I'm going to keep painting until all done. The googly eyes. Now we're going to put it on the robot. Roby the robot. You know, sometimes really dry. We're just going to wait for this paint to dry. And we have other googly eye. I'm going to put it back in there. And then his eyes look really funny. One going there, one going there. But here's the opposite way. We're going to color the mouth yellow. So fast. We're going to foil all around the hand. That's why you know that when we were putting the paper, we didn't put it here on the hands and legs because we're going to put foil. You're going to be kind of gentle. because Daddy won't like cause it to break. We did this feet earlier. Then we're gonna do this feet with foil. It's fun time. We're gonna use blue like the robot, green and red. First one, we're gonna do red. Oh, the button's haunted. Wipes and take green's last. So we're gonna take the blue, enough paint, and swirl it all around. What I'd recommend is not to use a lot of paint. But what you could do is swipe like this, and last one is green, a little bit of paint, since that's the biggest one also. And we have a little bit extra paint, but that's okay. We can just do this. And this is where if you have a little brush, because then you can go around these small places. Well, in the yellow, I had a little bit green, but I used it. So yeah, that's a little bit green right there. Just gonna take this yellow, it's kind of like a little bit wasted, and we're gonna use it. We're gonna wait until the paint dries, then we're gonna have a splash marker. Put it all around the square. You have this black marker, and we're just gonna gently do a line. What's that black? You're gonna be going on this line. The two black markers didn't work. Only the paint could work. La 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 la. Right now, I'm all done my buttons and my body. We colored my body blue, and the inside one of my buttons are yellow, and one button red, blue, and green. Right now, we are going to put on my antenna so I can locate to Mars. I have an antenna now, yay! I am so happy that I have an antenna. Yay, now I can locate to Mars. And I can walk my 2 feet and my button to locate the channels. I am so happy to be done. Now we're gonna make the ears. Really, really, really